Hey everyone, welcome back to Prep English. Today we will see the mistake that is killing our scores in IELTS listening and how we can avoid it. This is something that can trip up even the best listeners, that is, distractors. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright, so a bit about me. I gave my IELTS exam and I got 9 bands in listening. My overall score was 8 bands. Now, distractors are commonly found in dialogues, especially when one speaker makes a statement and subsequently is corrected by another speaker. This means that you are exposed to the same information in two different versions, one accurate and one incorrect. Without careful listening, it is easy to jot down the incorrect version. So, how can we avoid falling for these distractors? Here are few tips. First, always listen to the entire dialogue before we start answering. This helps us to catch corrections or additional details. Second, pay attention to keywords like no, actually, but, instead. These words often signal a correction. And third is practice, practice, practice. The more you expose yourself to these kind of dialogues, the better you will get at identifying distractors. Listen to a variety of English dialects and try to pick out the corrections and changes in the information. Now, let's look at some of the examples. Now, this example is written in front of you. So, we will just read it and see where the trap is set for us. The question is the man ordered dash t shirts. So, we need to see how many t shirts were ordered by the man. The dialogue is the man says he's calling to confirm a delivery of 30 t shirts to his apartment in Waterloo. So woman says, I see, let me have a look. Oh, we only have one order for Waterloo, sir, and it's for 13 shirts, not 30. The man says, ah, yes. Did I say 30? Sorry, I meant 13. It is 13 shirts. So the man ordered how many shirts? If we answered the first thing we heard, then the answer would be 30. But if we wait and listen carefully, the answer is something different. So the next example, we will hear it with audio as well as dialects written in front of us. So it is something like this.
Where do you live, Linda?
Unit 15, Maximilian Way.
That's in Whitfield, right? I have a cousin who lives in that area,
Yes, Whitfield.
and the postcode is 7755.
Not quite. You've got it the wrong way around. It's 5577.
So in this example as well, we needed to find the correct postcode. The wrong answer here is given first, followed by the right answer. Now, instead of saying 7755, the man says 7755. This gives us one more thing to think about. So, these are the things in which the examiner is trying to confuse us. See, the correct postcode here is said by the woman and it is 5577. But the man said 7755. So, here the answer is 5577. We will look at another example which will also have transcript in front of us.
Just one more thing. Your date of birth. But I can get that from the card. One moment.
Look. I'm afraid you haven't copied it down correctly. I was born on September 25th, 1990.
What have I written? Oh yes, I see now. I've got the 25th of the 8th month, but that would make it August.
Alright, so in this, the right answer is given first. That is, the woman says her date of birth, that is 25th September 1990. Then the man says he has got 25th of 8th month, that is August. So in this, the right answer is given first, followed by the wrong answer. So this means that we cannot predict the order in which the answer and the distractor will come. So we have to be very attentive and listen carefully. Alright, so we will look at two examples and let's see if we can find distractors in them.
And what is the square footage and what rooms will be cleaning?
The whole house is 268 square feet, and there is no need to clean all the rooms. I only want to have my bedrooms cleaned.
Okay. How many bedrooms does the house have?
3 bedrooms. Oh no, sorry, we used to have 3 bedrooms, but we only have 2 bedrooms now.
Alright, so in this, the question was how many bedrooms does the house currently have? So she said both 3 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms. But as soon as she said 3 bedrooms, she went back and corrected herself. So listening carefully will help us here. Now let's look at the final example and that will conclude our video.
Right, so now I want to ask you some questions about how you travelled here today. Did you use public transport?
Yes, I came by bus.
Okay, and that was today. It's the 24th of April, isn't it?
Isn't it the 25th? No, actually, you're right.
Alright, so in this as well, if we listen carefully, the man says that the date today is 24th of April. And then the lady on the other line, she corrects him and she says that today is 25th of April. But she's wrong. So in this as well, we can see that we cannot predict the order in which the answer and the distractor will come. So here the right answer is given first, followed by the wrong answer. Remember, the key to mastering distractors is careful listening. Don't rush to write down the first thing you hear. Wait, listen, and then answer. That's all for today's lesson on distractors in IELTS listening. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more information and tips to boost your exam prep. Thanks for watching and happy learning.